Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about the application homepage. In this video tutorial, we're moving to the next section, the device page. After launching your Litmor app, click on the Check Event button. It will lead you to the device page. Or when you receive a notification, click on the notification. It will also get you to the device page. Every time when you enter a device page, it will take a few seconds to load the history video list and stream live view. It may take more time, depends on the network speed. From top to bottom, the device page consists of 4 major parts. On top of the device page, you have the device name and a gear button that leads you to the device setting menu page. Each device has a separate device setting menu. Under the device name, there is a live video window. After the device page loaded, the video will play automatically. Sent to the home page, the default playtime is 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you will need to click the pop-up continue button if you want to carry on watching. If this is bothering you, you can go to the device setting menu and remove this restriction. You can access the device setting menu on both the home page and device page. We will cover this in the next video tutorial. When playing the live view, you can click Extend button in the corner. You will then enter the landscape live streaming mode. In the landscape mode, click on any space on the screen. The control dock will pop up from the right. Using the control dock, you can take a screenshot, record live video, launch two-way talk, trigger siren, turn on and off the lights. After you took the screenshot and record live view, the file will be automatically saved in your phone gallery. In the middle of the dock, it is two-way talk button. To start using two-way talk, click on the button. The yellow button will then turn to a red one. Then you can talk to the visitor at your home when you are away. If there is an intruder, click the bell button to trigger the siren. Back to the device page. Beneath the live view, there is history video list. You can watch all the history videos that are related to the device. For example, if you want to see the first video on the list, click the video. The video will start loading, then play in the live video frame. You can also click the photo to preview the video. Each video has 2 preview photos. When you watch a history video on the device page, use the dock at the bottom of the page. You can mark it, share it to your social network, delete it, and download it to your phone gallery. When playing the history video, click on the yellow button. It will switch back to the live view mode. If you want to load more videos, simply swipe from bottom to top. It will load automatically. Sometimes when you are loading the video list, there will be a new video loaded on top of the list. But when you click to play the video, you are likely to get a system prompt saying, "Video is being recorded, please wait." This is because there is a new coming video, but since the motion is still going on and the video at the same time is still recording, you will need to wait until the recording finished. At this moment, you can click to see the preview photo or watch live video. You can also sort the history video based on the date and the notification type. Click on Today button and then choose a specific day in the calendar to see the history video on that day. If you want to check the history video that's recorded based on a specific motion type, click on All button, then choose from the pop-up menu. Delete a video also can be done on the device page. Find the video you want to delete, swipe to the left and click Delete. On the bottom of the device page, there is another control dock, which is the same as a control dock in the landscape live view mode. You can use it to take a screenshot, record a live video, launch two-way talk, check siren, turn on and off the lights. Thank you very much for watching.